Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you a site that you will get the safest applications or safest Android TV applications from. So this is an interesting site, and I would recommend you watch the video right up to the end, because as usual I'll try my best to explain everything perfectly and show you everything perfectly. So this is a site that has applications that you can download and install to your Android TV and also on Fire Stick device, but this video is based on Android TV. So what I'm showing you, or what you are watching on my screen right now, is going to be compatible with any Android TV device. That means Android TV, Android TV boxes, or Google TV. So this site is the best site to download and install safe applications to your Android TV. So if you're worried about the kind of applications that you install to your Android TV, then do not worry about this site, because you are going to get the safest applications to install, and I'm going to show you that and also show you why. Let's get started. So on an Android TV, what we will need is the downloader application to go over to this site, because I will give you a downloader code to use to head over to this site. So what you have to do is to get the downloader application on your Android TV. For those of you who already have downloaded to your Android TV, you can pause the video or just accelerate the video. If you don't have downloader, let me quickly show you how to download and install downloader to your Android TV. The reason I always show everything in my videos is because there are some people who are watching a video for the very first time. So I cannot just assume that this is for people who have been watching my channel already. So that's why I always show everything or every single steps in my video. So here, to install downloader, what you need to do is go over here, click downloader. Now I skip this part. You have to go back to your browser. Any browser will work in this case, but I'm using my Google browser. So go back to your browser, here's mine, and type in downloader application. To save time, I'm just going to use this suggestion over here. Now once you search download application, it is found on the Google Play Store. That means you can use the web version of Google Play Store over here. So click on downloader by AFT News, and it's going to bring you to Google Play. This is the web version. Now if this is your very first time of installing an application on the web version of Google Play Store, you are going to be prompted to log in with your Google account. It is very simple to do that. Just put in your Gmail address and your password, and you're good to go, and then you'll be able to install any applications like the download application. So please ignore this interface. As long as your Android TV, or as long as your TV is an Android device, this will work perfectly. So click on install, and the application is going to start installing to your Android TV, as you can see on my screen right now. Downloader is one of the applications that I have used in literally almost all of my videos, because downloader works perfectly. Sometimes I really sit and wonder what will happen to us Android team users if downloader stops working. But yesterday I created a video on an application that you can use as an alternative to downloader. So you can check out that video and let me know if you like it. So the application will be installed. Close your browser and return over here, and as you can see, I already have the download application over here. So click on it once. So just click on it once, and this is how downloader should look like once you come over here for the very first time. So for those of you who have never used downloader, the way downloader works is that you need to type in a downloader code to install an APK, or go over to a site, or do whatever purpose the code has been designated to do. So in this case, we're using the code to go over to this Android TV site. So the code is 250931. Please type it exactly as you see on my screen over here, 250931. Once you type in that code, just click on go or launch, and this is what is going to happen. The code is going to be opened by the download application, and then it's going to redirect us to this site called troypoint.com. Now I just want to irritate, or I just want to let you all know that I am not the owner of this site. I am not the creator of this site. I just love the site, and I'm creating a video about the site. So if you are the owner of this site, or if you are Troy Point, then all the credits are allocated to you for this site. So here's how the site looks like. And once you go over here, see apps available on this page, You can read that through. It says QR codes may be click or scan with camera app on phone. So if you want to access the site on your phone, just go over here and scan the QR code. And if you mistake the code, or if you want to write down the download code, here's it over here. You can just write it down somewhere so that next time you can come over here. Oh, one thing you also do, you can add a site to Failrite. So how do you add sites to Failrite? It's simple. What you need to do is to go over here, top over here, where you have these three lines. Click on it. As you click on it, there is a pop-up that's going to come up and it says add current page to Failrite. So click on it and then you'll be prompted. You can rename this if you want, or you can allow it as it is and just click save. Once that is saved, next time you are here, you can just simply come over to your Failrite, click on the Failrite app or the site for my Failrite and you're here. So here's it, and these are the applications here. So come over here, you can they recommend a VPN. This is just promotion. This you can come down here and you see applications. So you see these are apps that you can download or install to your Android TV, and I'm sure these applications are updated. So now once you're installing an application, you need to know, we need to make sure that this app is going to be compatible with your device. That's why there are different versions of applications, but also you can also click on the tutorial. So for instance, if you don't know how to download application, click on tutorial over here and it is going to launch a little tutorial or an article on how to get the application to your Fire Stick or Android TV. So anyway, that is a tutorial. I don't want to use that for now. So I just want to show you all the applications that are here. As I said, these are safe applications. These are not applications that you are going to find any copyright issue with, or I'm going to find any issue with on my YouTube channel. These are all interesting apps that you will find over here, and they are all safe. So now, how do you download an application to your Android TV? So I'm looking for an app that I can download or that I would love to download to my Android TV. Let's see. Okay, I already have Kodi on my Android TV. I don't want to download Kodi again. Okay, so let's say I want to download Stream. You see, for Fire TV and most Android TV boxes. So I believe this should be the one that will work for me. So what I do, I click on download and it is going to start downloading to my Android TV. And if any option doesn't work for you, there are different options over here. Try them out. Don't just focus on just one. You can try the other options to see which is going to work perfectly for you. But this is the streaming application. It is 73.4 megabytes, and I'm just going to wait it out to run and download, and now quickly install to my Android TV as you watch it right here. So as I said, if any app doesn't download, you can try any other option. So here's it. I'll click on install and let's hope it will install to my Android TV. So hopefully it installs. Hopefully there is no issue. Okay, let's just give it a moment. That's taking a lot while to install right now. So anyway, if you watch this video right up to the end, please do me a favor, subscribe if you find the video helpful, and if you do not find it helpful, please do not subscribe. Oh, okay, the application has installed. So click on done, delete the app file, and then you're good to go. So this is how the site works, and that's how to download and install apps from it to your Android TV.